What's up, Glorifiers? I have some super exciting news to share with you guys. As a team, we've reached a very important milestone, but before I dive into that, let's rewind a couple of years. We launched Glorify on Product Hunt in 2019. We offered a limited lifetime deal which allowed users to pay once and own Glorify for life. We knew that a lifetime deal would give us the surge and initial investment we needed to grow and build Glorify to meet our ambitious vision. Subscriptions would just not get there as fast. In fact, most design tools in our space that have succeeded and created positive impact did so by raising VC funding. Many of these platforms raised funding before even launching publicly. Now, before our launch, we were among the fortunate 15 out of 500 applicants to be selected to pitch at Startup Avalanche in Texelvania, Romania. We attracted a few investors, but my co-founder Haroon wanted to hold off the investment and launch instead. Had we chose to accept the offers we had at the time, we would have turned out roughly a $100,000 pre-seed round for 10% equity. But deciding against this was no doubt the most smartest decisions we ever made, because we were able to sell the same amount of equity 2 years later for 10 times that value. Now, getting back to the recap, post-launch, we continued to build. Market analysis, along with your feedback from our amazing community, gave us clarity on how we should take Glorify's vision to the next level. And just like that, Glorify 2.0 was launched in November 2020, and we got voted to #1 product of the day. From that point on, we were on a roll. We launched mockups in April 2021, and we're currently working on making the platform extremely robust, as well as some exciting new features that you're absolutely going to love. The share ecosystem, for example, where you can share designs with your team members, guests, and even publicly. We've got batch processing in the pipeline, where you can create one design and scale it to multiple variations with just a few clicks. And of course, video. Yep, that's right. Soon we'll be launching video and animation features. We expect all of this to happen in the next 6 to 8 months. Now you might be asking yourself, how are we going to make all of this happen so fast? Now this brings me to the exciting news that I've been waiting to share with you guys. After 9 months of speaking to over 70 investors and declining 4 offers, we finally found a venture capital partner that was a match made in heaven. I'm proud to announce that we finally successfully secured a $2 million seed round investment. One of the most boldest and most difficult decisions we had to make was keep our lifetime deal open until we secured this investment. The lifetime deal, of course, worked wonders to keep us moving forwards, but now it's definitely time to move on. To our lifetime deal users who put their faith in Glorify, rest assured, you've invested in nothing less than a deal of a lifetime. Those that missed out, this is your last chance. It's official. We won't ever run lifetime deals again on our website directly. If an offer ever comes up again, it'll be exclusive and part of a third-party platform, and it won't have the same bonuses or better pricing. So if you've ever been on the fence about whether or not to bag this deal, now's the time to take that leap. This deal gives you lifetime access to Glorify with a one-off payment instead of spending hundreds of dollars on monthly and annual subscription. It also means you still get the opportunity to become part of our exclusive early adopter tribe and get access to all our roadmap features like batch processing and video animation for no extra cost. So don't miss out on this opportunity. And now, as we move forward onto the next phase of our amazing journey, one thing's for certain: with your help, Glorify can become the leading marketing design tool for business owners and professionals, whether working solo or as well as in a team.